Oklahoma and much of the country is currently in the midst of a COVID-19 surge that far exceeds the initial surge back in March. In this newscast, we'll examine Governor Stitt's current actions announced this week and also take a behind-the-scenes look at his thinking 8 months ago that resulted in stay-at-home orders that lasted well into April. The governor issued 3 new executive orders this week, establishing an 11 p.m. curfew for bars and restaurants that took effect on Thursday. Secondly, restaurants are now required to separate tables by at least 6 feet or provide sanitized dividers between guests. And 33,000 state employees are now required to wear masks. And those visiting state office buildings will have to do the same.
A vaccine is on its way, but we need to buckle down until then. I know we're all getting tired, but this is really important. I need your help right now to flatten this curve. We're all going to have to make sacrifices in one way or another, but they're sacrifices worth making to keep everyone healthy, keep our businesses open safely, and to keep our kids back in school in person.
The governor has set the example by requiring masks for his state employees. We will follow that example and ask and request that all restaurant workers wear masks during their shifts as well. And please continue to think about how you can support your local restaurants. We desperately need your help, whether it's dining in safely or ordering food to go.
Like all Oklahomans, I am looking forward to Thanksgiving next week. I love Thanksgiving. I love getting together with my family. We have family traditions, as I'm sure you do as well. Get a free test before gathering with your family. Call 211 to find out where you can go to do this. Spread out tables around your house so you can distance appropriately. Open a window or a door. Eat outside if the weather's nice. If we don't adjust how we gather safely next week, Christmas could be much worse.
And that ominous warning based on these latest numbers from the Oklahoma Health Department. On Thursday, November 18th, a record 1,434 people were hospitalized with COVID-19 in Oklahoma. Now, compare that to 307 people on April 18th, when the state was basically locked down. We're averaging 2,843 new cases per day now. 8 months ago, it was 94 per day. Since the pandemic began, Oklahoma has recorded more than 167,000 cases of COVID-19, and more than 130,000 of those individuals have recovered. However, 110 people died from coronavirus in the last 7 days in Oklahoma, and our death toll now stands at 1,603. Oklahoma City Mayor David Holt says if need be, he will utilize the police to ensure bars and restaurants adhere to the new curfew and protocols.
I am issuing a new emergency proclamation today, incorporating those restrictions at the local level, which means they can be and will be enforced upon bars and restaurants by the Oklahoma City Police Department, as was the protocol during past waves of this virus.